The barrel itself is made out of stainless steel, and it has a melanite type finish to it. The sleeve itself is carbon steel. So the rest of the revolver, other than the barrel itself, is carbon steel. And it's finished in this blued finish. Now offhand, which is right hand for me. I was gonna say I shot him 6 times right there, but I only had 5 out of 6. Just strip away. It's a great tool to reload your revolver if you carry one day to day. Very nice sight picture on this Smith & Wesson revolver. Just gotta line up those charging holes when you're loading it. Jesus, this thing is so hot, it's burning my hand.